Hey artists, I'm back with a little bit of a different video for you today. So I received an email from Ranger, one of their general, everyone gets it emails from Ranger back in November that said, calling all mixed media lovers. So of course I clicked. And here's what was inside that email. I was intrigued, so thought I would order a mystery box and do a fun boxing, challenge myself to create with what was inside. So here we go. This is what it sounded like. And let's open this up and see what's inside. And that's it. I received 13 different items, from paints to mica sprays to a pearl spray from several different Ranger artists. It was $11.99 plus shipping, which made it $16.99. I'm not very good with math. Would I do this again? Maybe. Not sure. I was expecting a few other non-medium type items, maybe some different type of ephemera or other little trinkets. However, it was definitely a fun box and worth the price. Will I do the journal page I was planning? Probably not. It's only just mediums. I'll probably use a few items and maybe use them for a few little giveaways since I got some duplicates. So watch for that in the coming year and some more fun shenanigans on my channel in this new 2022 year. I look forward to creating more videos for you. Thanks so much for watching.